Good morning. In today's yoga session, we'll guide you through some effective morning stretches that will boost your energy and leave you feeling refreshed throughout the day.